Hello, it's Phillip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and today I'm looking at a book from TOLLEY'S, from LEXISNEXIS. It's TOLLEY'S Property Taxation for the year 2012 to 13, now in a 6th edition, and the general consultant editor is Patrick Cannon, who's known to us for stamp duty taxes, amongst other things. We've given it the title Authoritative Answers to All Relevant Tax Concerns in One Single Volume. That's what you've got. It's actually a big volume though, it's a heavy volume. There it is, that's the front cover, the spine, and you can see the back. There's quite a lot of detail on there. The book runs to quite a substantial number of pages, well over 1,000. There's a very detailed index which you can see right at the back, and then from there you've got the standard structure again. The chapter numbers are in paragraph numbering, and then sort of sub-paragraph divisions. And what you don't have, of course, are detailed footnotes at the bottom. Where there is a need for some footnotes, they appear in the actual body copy of the text itself, which can be a bit disconcerting for some people. But again, there's not that much of it. But what you do have here is a very substantial amount of detail. The introduction is always worth reading, so you get an idea of what Mr. Cannon is talking about. You've got a very useful index of contents as well, right at the beginning. There are a lot of people who've contributed to this publication, and they are listed there, starting there. I'm not going to go through all the names. Then there's a very important foreword, which is worth reading. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because we reviewed this book before, but it's up to the very highest of standards which we would expect from TOLLEY'S LEXISNEXIS. So therefore, if you're a practitioner, whether tax lawyer or accountant, charged with offering best advice on tax planning pertaining to property, make sure you buy this year's edition, because this is where the fount of knowledge is in this area. It's been referred to as your essential reference book on property taxation in the UK, and so it is. Not only does it cover all relevant taxes, it shows how they interact, and that's very useful. This in itself, of course, is the major benefit for the tax practitioner, bearing in mind that, as consultant editor Cannon points out, property taxation is the most varied and challenging area in the UK tax system. The detailed table of contents themselves show how much diversity there is actually within this area itself. As I say, around about 1,000 pages worth, the book more than fulfills, in our view, its stated aim of being a comprehensive source of analysis and explanation of UK property taxation. As you would expect, there are ample tools for research, including the extensive tables that you've got. Writing in the foreword, Liz Pearce, who's Chief Executive of the British Property Foundation, refers to this quite indispensable publication as, quote, the essential tax guide to all those who want to get the best out of their property transactions, whatever the challenges faced, including by the market. And that, of course, is very important. Thank you very much to all concerned for an excellent new edition. Bye-bye.